all, welcome to Tech That, where you get your daily dose of tech videos. Today we will be talking about how to set up your laptop clean and nice, where you will get best performance and best battery life. So let's go. Over the years, I used multiple laptops. My first laptop was in 2011 Sony Vaio that came with Windows 7. After that, in 2015, I switched over to HP Pavilion that had Windows 8 on it. And in 2018, I bought a Toshiba laptop which had Windows 10 on it. Since there was a problem with the Toshiba, I bought Lenovo IdeaPad, which is basically 3 weeks old, and on this laptop also I have Windows 10. So today I'll be talking about how you can set up your laptop which can give you the best performance and also easy accessibility. Over the years, I have tried different setups and different looks for my laptop and different configurations. So today I'll share with you the best configurations that has worked for me so far. So first thing is, when you buy your new laptop, you want to make sure it is as clean as possible, because sometimes the seller installs certain softwares on the laptop for the benefit of the user, such as antivirus softwares or other softwares that may come free with the laptop. So in order to make sure the laptop is as clean as possible, you first need to reset it. And in order to reset the laptop, you can do it through the settings tab. So first go to settings, either type it or you can just navigate to it, and after that you go to update and security, and here you go to recovery option. In here you will have three options. The first is to reset this PC, and as you can see the description for it, when you reset it, it goes to the original settings, all the programs uninstalled and as clean as possible. So you can, this is the option that you want to choose if you want to start laptop as new and fresh. Or the second option is to go back to previous versions of Windows that you don't want to do right now. And also there is advanced startup options, that's also you don't want to do right now. So you need to reset your PC. Since my PC is already clean and set up to my configurations, I'll not be doing that right now, but yes, you want to reset your PC first. So once you're done with resetting your PC, the first thing is to make sure still if there are any programs that you do not want, because sometimes you can reset the PC and still there are some programs that might be still there that you do not want, and then you can get rid of it. In order to uninstall programs, you can go to settings once again. Let's type settings. Okay, settings are here, and then you can go to update and security options that you already did. Right here you resetted the laptop, these are updates, and then let's go and try to uninstall. There are two options now here. There are add or remove programs, and there's also apps and feature. If you go to add or remove programs, it brings you to this screen. Here you have all the programs that are currently installed on your computer. You can check which program you want and you can get rid of it. Only keep the programs that are necessary. As you can see right now, these are some of the programs that are installed on my laptop, and I've already gotten rid of many programs that I do not use. So you can just click on a certain program and try to uninstall it. That will help you. Another way is to do it through control panel. You can type control panel and control panel pops up, and here also you have an option to uninstall a program. So as you can see here, let me make this a little big. I have around 20 programs installed, that is occupying around 1 GB space. So you can see I have Adobe, I have 40 client, I have Chrome, I have Edge and other applications. So you wanna go through this list also and make sure only the programs that you need are installed here, and uninstall any program that you do not need. So you can select any program and you click the uninstall button and it will uninstall the program for you. So these two steps were there, resetting and then uninstalling the apps. These steps are there for you to clean up your computer and set it up as new. The next thing for the performance, to make sure your computer gives you the best performance, is to make sure all the unnecessary features are disabled. You don't want the features that drain your battery or drain your performance to be enabled. So one of the features is the background apps. So if you type here background apps, it takes you the settings once again and tells you what apps run in the background. So as you can see, most of my apps are switched off. meaning that they are not allowed to run in the background, which affects your performance and also battery life. So usually you can just turn this setting off and all the apps will automatically shut down, or they'll not run in the background, I mean. Or you can keep it on and only select programs that you want to run in the background, like very most important programs. So right now, as you can see, I have WhatsApp desktop installed and I do not want it to run in the background, so I'll turn it off. I have this separate app for battery level. If my battery is charging to a certain level or gone to a certain level, this is that. So I want this to run, so I will keep this. So this will help your laptop save battery and also give you good performance. Another thing to do to get good performance and make sure your laptop starts faster when you turn it on is to set up startup programs correctly. So startup, let's go to startup apps, and here you will have all the apps that start up when the computer is turned on. So here I have Intel, a graphics center that I want it to be turned on, and I have a Lenovo utility program that I want on, and some other programs. You can turn off the programs that you do not want the computer to start on a startup. This also helps the computer boot up quickly and helps save its performance and give the best CPU usage and best performance. So keep that also in mind. So this is for startup apps. Now, since we have cleaned up our program and turned off background apps and also cleaned the startup apps, actually before we go that, another way to go to startup or check startup apps is to, you can right click on your taskbar and go to task manager. Here also you can get different things that are turned on or start when the computer is turned on. Here you can see some of the apps are enabled, some of the apps are disabled. So here also you can select an app and you can disable or enable it based on your own performance, but make sure there aren't too many apps that are running on startup. And the startup impact is also given here, so if any app that has heavy impact, that will affect the startup or booting up process of the computer. So that was about startup. Now next is how you can set up a clean laptop. Sometimes the taskbar settings or your desktop settings, your file settings, your startup menu settings are so confusing, you are not able to access them quickly. That affects your productivity. So let me give you a clean look for your startup screen. So first, personally, I do not like the setup of the taskbar. The search is occupying so much space. The Windows icon, the menu items are to one side, and then there are some items here that I do not want. So first, let me get rid of the start. I do not like start like this. So I will right click on the taskbar. I go to toolbars, and here you have address, links, Lenovo, Vantage, desktop, and different toolbar that you can set. And right here you have a search setting. In here you have three options. You can hide the search bar completely. You can show the search icon or show search box. Right now search box is shown. That's why you see a tick mark next to it. So what you want to do is click on show search icon. So as you can see, the search box is gone and only icon is there. So that has opened up some space. Now the bad thing is I have only what, 1 2 3 6 9, I have around 9 icons, and they're to one side. So if I'm somewhere working somewhere here and I need to get to something, I have to go all the way across the screen. So I want them somewhere in the middle, which I can access easily. So in order to adjust your taskbar icons, now all you have to do is first you have to go to your taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and right now as you can see the taskbar is locked at the bottom and always hide labels. So this is my current settings. What I want to do is first go to taskbar settings again, and you have toolbars at the top. So what I will do is I will add links to the taskbar. So as you can see, this link icon has appeared here. Then what I will do is I will unlock my taskbar, so it is not locked anymore. So now for this links, I want to drag it from right side all the way towards the left. So let's do that. Okay, there we go. Now you have dragged it. Now this is what it looks. Now what you want to do is, as you can see, you can drag this link around. That gives you a freedom to adjust wherever you want. You can adjust these items and these menu items wherever you want, either right side, left side, or in the center. Now personally I want it to be in the center, so I'm gonna bring it in the center. As you can see, this is center. And then for these links, you don't want this name to be shown or the title to be shown, so you can right click on the links again, and you can see here you get options for the links. So you wanna deselect the show title options. Now you see the name link is gone. Now you don't want your items to be floating around all the time, so once again go to menu bar, and earlier you had unlocked the taskbar. Now you should lock it once again. There you go, I have locked it again, and then it's again at the bottom, and always hide labels, and you close the settings. As you can see, now the menu bar is in the center, and it can go, it is easily accessible from all sides, so you don't have to go to right side or left side to access it. It's easy access. And in order to give it a cleaner look, I also cleaned up all the icons from the desktop. I have only kept a recycle bin here, and also my daily to-do list. That's easy because I want to write down my tasks that I want to achieve that day. Now for this, I want to keep it like this because I want to see the time and usually the sounds, the speaker and the battery items, and if my camera or my microphone is in use. So that's how I usually set up my laptop. This is the best way that I have found so far. It gives me good performance and also good battery usage. My current battery lasts for around 5 hours. I do software programming, so I think this is a good setup for everyone with professional or personal laptops. So this is our final look of the laptop now. On the right side you have your search icon. You can hover over it and you can type what you want to search. On the left side you have your taskbar icons, and in the middle you have menu bar items. Clean the desktop, and also if you want you can download nice wallpapers for it to make it look good. So that's it, and you're done. One more thing I want to talk about is Windows 11. As you have seen, recently we got introduced to Windows 11. So I just wanted to show you the comparison between our recent setup and clean look and new Windows 11 setup. On the right side you have our setup and our image that we took, and on the left side you here have Windows 11 setup. As you can see, Windows 11 basically looks like Windows 10, but obviously they'll have different features and different design when you start using it, but in the look it looks the same, our screen and the Windows 11 screen. So you don't have to wait for Windows 11 to configure your laptop in a clean way possible. So just wanted to show that, and pretty excited for Windows 11 also. So let us do a quick recap now. So there were 5 steps that we followed in order to set up a laptop that is good performance wise and also easy to use. So first was resetting the laptop. The second step we followed was to uninstall any unnecessary programs or applications. And the third step was setting up background programs and apps in order to make sure the laptop doesn't have any background apps that are affecting the performance. Fourth step was setting up the startup items and programs to make sure your laptop boots up quickly. And finally, the fifth step was clean configuration, which gives your laptop a clean and nice look and makes it easy to use. So that was it for today. Thank you for joining me today to watch the video. Hope the content was helpful. Please do like, share and subscribe, and also let me know how I can improve my videos, or let me know of any topic that you would like me to research and discuss over here and make a video about it. Thank you so much.